Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to turn off Windows 10 notifications. I don't know about you, but I find it really annoying when Windows keeps popping up with notifications down in the bottom right hand corner, and also giving us tips about Windows that we already know. Well, to turn these off, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and you need to type in notifications. You now need to click on notifications and action settings, and you now need to simply click this button here where it says get notifications from apps and other senders. And there we go. Now that's off. If we scroll down, as you can see, all these apps here will no longer give us any notifications. If you would like one of those apps to actually give you a notification, then all you need to do is simply turn this on again and scroll down and then just unclick the ones that you don't want to get a notification for. And it really is as easy as that. And you do also have a few other options in here. For example, show notifications on your lock screen, show reminders and incoming voice over IP calls on the lock screen. And like I said, here we have get tips and tricks suggestions as you use Windows. And it really is as easy as that. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.